Kubor ka Bakla TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Unang yalam jangal yang Persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma hagas ngi palei ka khat pratarik unailar arajar arpuar ulaong balada ka jingtok yet jongki pulit Persya yo Bernard and Marak kimlap Eiei kat kumbala keno kata kamut baka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kala Pyndonkam Bakla ya ka ikhtiar. Hagajing keren bat kilat pathai kubor u Dr. Mukul Sangma ulaong haba bisyar kat kum gajing pensyai jongka Bharatiya Janata Party hadian ka jinglek khanra jong ki pulit ira yeng basa rimpu bagan ka badon ha Eden Bari ka penpau baki jingkenok Persya yau Vice President ke BJP u Bernard and Marak kalong tang ka jingkenok Bakla. Nrei wala kata ulaong baka syongpat ha ka jingtokit jong ki pulit lagi ni ki jingkenok Persya yau Bernard kilong ne em ki basisha.
In as far as law is concerned, everybody must fear the law. I always used to share this particular stand, which should be the stand of everybody. Nobody is afraid of anybody. We should not fear any individual, but we should fear the law. Why should anybody fear the law? Because law has its own course, and we always refer that law has long hands. And the law of the land must prevail to create a strong deterrence for any perpetrators or those who have the tendency to participate or associate themselves with any of the perpetrators of any crime. Now here, if we go by what are the available inputs being shared by the law enforcing agency, I think the overall course of the case will indicate as to whether it was a vendetta or otherwise. We'll have to allow the law to take its own course, but at the same time, it will be unfair for anybody to jump to a conclusion even before allowing the law to take its own course. But I would like to be very candid on this. That if BJP and NPP, they are having a stand, and then the stand is being countered by the other political, but they are in the same government. And rather than telling the people or rather in engaging in those activities to which amounts to playing to the gallery, I think they must look at what exactly has happened, because they are in the government. They should find out what exactly has happened, whether it is the BJP or the individual leaders of the party. Let them find out what exactly is happening, and then let the people of the state be assured that any law enforcing agency cannot be misused and will not be misused. If today we go by the statement of the BJP leadership, then we can, the public have to have the apprehension that they themselves have reasons to believe that government is misusing the law enforcing agencies. That is a very dangerous input, and that is a matter of great concern. So therefore, BJP has to come out clean on the kind of substantive evidence based on which they have indicated these, that it is nothing but misuse of, if they are saying that it is a political vendetta, that means it is a misuse of the government machinery. And the bigger concern here is that if this misuse revolves around the law enforcing agencies, and if this can be done to, political leaders of none other than a national party like BJP, then what is going to happen to the common man? So therefore, common man has to ask, question whether it is a fact that this government is engaging in misuse of the law enforcing agencies as alleged by the BJP. They must come clean.